Are you gonna get up? It's been months. You have to film something.
What? I guess. I mean, they have come through for us. We've got like 124 subs now, and I asked for 100, so I guess I can get up and film them the video if I don't get out and die first. Alright guys, what is up? And welcome back to the YouTube channel. I know it's been forever since we filmed a video, since Saving Private Rhonda took place back in, when did we go save the car? Like May? And
Well, no, because
no, it
the
was,
last blizzard was April.
it was like March or just.
So it was like March or February.
January, February, yeah, sometime in there.
Probably March.
And I haven't filmed anything in a long time. I've wanted to, I've tried, but I've just not had anything of quality.
Really
No, I've tried filming a couple car videos, and I just haven't had anything of quality lately. So, today we are out here, and we're going to go trout fishing in North Dakota, which altogether doesn't even sound right. But there's a little river here called the Turtle River, and they stock this baby with trout at least like 2 or 3 times this summer. I think they stocked them early this summer, and last time I was here I had pretty good luck. We're going fly fishing today. I brought the fly rod, and hopefully we can get some stuff hooked up. But I'll see you guys here in a second. I gotta get my camera stuff on, and we'll go fishing. Alright guys, and we're off. I got you guys set up in your mount, and we should be able to go catch some fish, hopefully. See if I'm still any good at this whole fly fishing thing. I haven't done this in years, literally years, since I lived in Waco. I think you guys seen the last time I went fly fishing. You can already hear Shep freaking out because I'm on my way. Last time I was here, I didn't have a whole lot of luck fishing around rocks, but I'm going to check right up in here and see if I can't see anything. I had a lot more luck fishing around log jams and stuff. This is going to be interesting to try to entrance. Oh, and it gets deep right there too. I'm going to have to get across and hug that side. You guys might get some underwater footage today, just depending on how unlucky I am. There might be a trout right up in here. Try not to absolutely just destroy myself here. I don't know if this place has a breeding population of trout. I do know they do have white sucker and god dang horsefly. And I'm trying to think, creek chub. I know for a fact there's a breeding population of both of those things. Oh, I can see a bunch of creek chubs right there, actually. Oh, I already got a creek chub. Well, first fish of the day. Nice little creek chub. I think there's going to be quite a bit of these guys today, but I'm hoping that I can get into some trout as well. There. Release that little guy, and there he goes. I got a good feeling that there are going to be quite a few creek chubs today. Yeah, wish I had indicators, but I actually have no clue where all my old fly fishing stuff went, so I don't have any indicators or anything like that on me. There's a little log right here. Oh yeah. Well, creek chub madness ensues. Yep, little creek chub. These guys, I think, for the most part, are what these trout are definitely eating on. So we'll let him go, but they might be just into a little bit bigger flies and stuff. Maybe little spoons. Alright guys, it looks like we found our first really decent sized creek chub. This guy's pretty big. Ah! Well, he escaped. But right here coming into this hole, there appeared to be a bunch of really decent sized creek chub. Like literally every cast. That about scared me. I had to end up switching back to that heavier stone fly because of I think it's just too murky. We just got a rainstorm through, so the dry fly, things were hitting the surface, and I had quite a few bites on the dry fly that I was using and kind of trying to switch it up, but I think smaller bait is not better. They can't see it as well, so they're just chasing a lot of this chasing this heavier fly a little better, even though it's a little bigger. I think I got a pretty decent sized little creek chub here. Just a little ways down the river. Yeah, that's like a massive creek chub. You can even lip the guy. Got a good release on him. There he goes. I've got a couple like that, a couple like real massive creek chubs. Okay. Well, it looks like I caught another big creek chub out here fishing this this goodness grasshopper fly. Switched flies a little minute ago. Sorry, it's not at 0.6. We switched flies a little minute ago over to the grasshopper fly, and haven't really been getting much bites until just now, but guess that changed. Keep on throwing it over into this hole and it keeps on getting, they're popping it off the surface. See? It's already getting a bunch of attention in that hole right there. Just trying to keep it in that shade. Man, they almost don't even need the twitch or nothing. They just like it. Okay, apparently I forgot to click record, but I found a little spot right here where I can pretty much just drop my line in, kind of let it float, and then do that with the creek chub. Not exactly the exciting trout content I was hoping for. Oh, buddy, if you don't figure your life out pretty soon, you're gonna die. Yep, he figured his life out. Oh, on a rock. Oh, I see it. Okay. Try to keep on trying to find some trout, but looks like today might just be a creek chub day. I'm not in the same part of the river I was fishing the other day, where it was pretty much just all woodland and dropped wood. I'm gonna have to go quite a ways to get there. Oh goodness. Son of a gun, what the heck? Why won't you spool out? Oh, now I get to fix that. Okay guys, well just downstream, and I'm caught a much bigger creek chub than at least the last few. Here. Ah, well, he escaped. I was going to show him off to you guys, but that didn't really get to happen. Good night. There are several of these. That's a really big creek chub. Just right in that laydown. Like, this guy's... like, he's really pretty big. Come on. See if I can't get a good release shot on him. Yep, pretty decent release shot. Those little creek chub really want to go for it, but they're just not big enough to get this size fly in their mouth. Alright guys, this will end this video off. About a week late and a trout short, but I'd like to really focus on a couple of things I think I could have done better. First off, every time I ran into a school of creek chub, I got so focused and honed in on the school of creek chub just because I was having fun catching them, which I don't regret, but also kind of do because it would have been nice to catch some trout, but I just had fun with the creek chub, but in doing that, I didn't get to the spots where I knew there were trout, and by the time I did get there, it was already after I'd snapped that leader off, and well, I mean, when you've got a fly with like this much leader to it, the trout are going to see your fly line immediately, and they're obviously not going to hit. Think about it. Oh, yeah, I could have taken my spool of leader material that I had sitting in the car, so I could have tied a new leader. That probably would have helped out a lot. But I guess other than that, if you guys would like, subscribe if you guys found the video interesting. There'll be hopefully another video next week. I know me and my old lady are going camping this weekend, and possibly get 3 videos out of that. Hopefully it's the 4th of July weekend. I have a long weekend for work, so I know we're going out for 3 or 4 days. Hopefully I can get a couple good videos, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. So peace.